New vocabulary. They're at the park. Pronunciation. P, a, pa, par, k, park. They're at the park. They're happy and they're having fun. Pronunciation. Have. Have is the simple action. Continuous form. Have. Having. Having. They are, contraction, they're having fun. Pronunciation. Fun. Having fun is having a good time. They are having fun. Let's practice. They're at the park. They're happy and they're having fun. Question. Where are they?
They're at the park.
Are they happy?
Yes, they're happy.
And what are they doing?
They're having fun.
That's right. Question. Where are they? Respond. Are they happy? Respond. Question. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. New vocabulary. Family. Pronunciation. Fa, fam, family. You can say family, but everybody says family. So, the family. The family is father, pronunciation, father, father. The father and son, pronunciation, son. The father and son are playing soccer. Pronunciation. Sock. Soccer. Soccer in America, not football. Football is different. The father and son are playing soccer. And the mother and daughter are playing too. Mother, pronunciation, mother. The mother and daughter, pronunciation, daughter. You can say daughter with a t, but in America we say daughter. So the mother and daughter are playing. They are having fun. Pronunciation, two. So the father is happy and the mother is happy too. The father and son are playing. The mother and daughter are playing too. Let's practice. The family is at the park. The father and son are playing soccer. The mother and daughter are playing too. They are having fun. Question. Where is the family?
The family is at the park.
Very good. Question. Where is the family? Respond. Very good. Are the father and son playing soccer?
Yes, the father and son are playing soccer.
What are the mother and daughter doing?
They are playing too.
Very good. Are the father and son playing soccer? Respond. Very good. What are the mother and daughter doing? Respond. Very good. Question. Are they having fun?
Yes, they are having fun.
Question. Are they having fun? Respond. Very good.